Today, the rise of new energy is unstoppable. From energy storage to power, technologies evolve. Great strides forward. DALY, with a visionary stance, has always been one step ahead. The future starts now. Innovation is in DALY's DNA, bringing together hundreds of top engineers worldwide, constantly pushing technical boundaries. DALY BMS system. More user-friendly UI design. More professional customized services. From innovation to excellence. No shortcuts, only improvement. Striving for high quality and efficiency, just to stay always one step ahead. At DALY, design is where technology meets aesthetics, turning manufacturing into art. DALY Mini Red BMS. Injection molding and waterproofing, leading the industry's innovation. Smaller size with smooth curves, make pack a refined aesthetic. DALY pursue exceptional user experience. Fully dust-proof and drop-proof. Multi-channel cooling. Refined, precise, and exquisite. Everything is connected with intelligent interaction. Beautiful and powerful, always one step ahead. At DALY, every BMS is the crystallization of lean manufacturing. With automated high-precision production, DALY forges high quality with craftsmanship. A 20,000 square meter manufacturing facility, 20 million annual production capacity. At the same time, we gather elite talent, grounded in high-precision manufacturing, and backed by rigorous quality control, ensuring excellence every second. Daring to be the first to always stay ahead. DALY pioneered BMS e-commerce and led cross-border e-commerce. Live streaming on TikTok 24/7. Always online, breaking distance and connecting hearts. From standard production to customized service, DALY aims to become a world-class provider of new energy solutions. From offline to online, radiating the world. Our sales platforms cover 130 countries and regions worldwide. DALY services, always one step ahead. With intelligent and precise algorithm. DALY's million-scale intelligent warehousing system. 5 times faster picking speed with AGV. High-density design. 6 times more storage capacity. 4 global warehouses. Global layout connecting the world. Together, we go further. Founded on co-creation, sharing, and win-win. DALY links talents in multiple fields, with 66 partners united in strength, forging ahead. Open cooperation complements strengths. We aspire in heart and act in deed. Solid foundation, better new generation. DALY adheres to respect, brand, like-mindedness, sharing of success. On the path of leadership, DALY advances together with you. No limits, we can reach greater heights. DALY makes green energy safer and smarter. DALY BMS.